Hey, honey, you are finally home. It's so late.
I know, got some numbers to add up.
I'm going to work. Love you, honey.
Love you too. Have a good day. Pregnant? Oh, that is impossible. Oh my God, what to do? Honey, I'm pregnant.
Oh, yes. Oh, my God. We waited so long. I love him already.
Yeah. Oh no, my water broke.
Congratulations. What? How can that be? Is that a fucking joke? Are you nuts? Who even is that?
He is our child now.
I won't accept him. This is ridiculous. How is that possible? You can explain it?
It was a tiny mistake. Only once.